Welcome to Maexology. Today's video we are going to look at the 10 coolest gadgets that are worth seeing. As usual, the links to the products are in the description below. Sit back and enjoy watching. Airtrick Electric Skates. Do you desire a quicker and more practical method of navigating the city? Electric skates from Airtrick are the ideal solution for you. These skates are ideal for urban settings because they are compact and lightweight. Additionally, they have fast straps and rubber foot cushions that make it simple to slip them on and take them off. The skates also feature heel brakes and wheels that are resistant to abrasion. The innovative dual 150-watt hub motors on the Airtrick electric skates are another feature. They also come with a remote control, 4 riding modes and electric brakes. The forward or reverse motion of the skates can be stopped using the remote control. Additionally, you can assess your speed and battery life. The 3 different models of Airtrick electric skates have a top speed of 17 miles per hour. You can get these for $379. Fantom X Wallet. As long as they don't take up too much room in your pocket and hold all of your cards together, card holders are pretty useful. Fantom X is a more compact and lightweight option that nevertheless offers a ton of useful functions. It is durable and has a fanning action to quickly locate the required card. Second, the accessory can be completely customized. To avoid sounding like a piggy bank, carry some coins. There is a specific section for them. Do you have any bills? No issues. Install the cash holder immediately. The silicone band can be used for that as well. If you frequently require your ID, place it in an ID holder to keep it close at hand. What's that? To trace the wallet and even the most used key, there are attachments for the Air tag. This incredible wallet costs $119. Pura Smart Diffuser. Do you comprehend the impact a quality scent can have? The stimulating aroma of coffee from this clever diffuser will wake you up in the morning and relax you at night. Choose 2 of your favorite smells and place them in the diffuser. Now insert the device into a socket and experience the magic. What's cool is that you can set a timer for each aroma, and when you leave the house, Pura will automatically stop so that you don't waste product. Give your home a pleasant scent to welcome you home. Finally, this device costs $68. Kensington Cool View Stand. It's not thankful for its perpetual slump. Consequently, a monitor stand that will enhance your spinal health is essential, although we favor taking a position that offers certain advantages. For instance, if you're not happy with the angle, the built-in fan on this monitor stand will move air about beneath your computer and help you cool off a little. Simply remove it and arrange it however you choose. You may quickly convert the fan into a heater if it gets too cold. You can place the purifier behind your monitor if you frequently sneeze. Along with helping you concentrate on your task, it will also get rid of both pleasant and bad smells. The cost of this incredible device is $35. IPEVO Uplift. This is an excellent tool to use to get the greatest shot possible, regardless of what you're trying to photograph. The Uplift's multi-joint shell and metal base make it simple to adjust the camera to acquire the ideal photo, whether you're attempting to capture a presentation or just a straightforward picture. And you can quickly monitor and modify the live image on your smartphone with the iDock Cam app. Therefore, buy IPEVO Uplift and get the greatest image you can. Don't settle for second best. It is now on sale for $59 on Amazon and through the links in the following description. The Oru Lake. One of the most lightweight, portable, and easily transportable folding kayaks that provides excellent access to the water is the Oru Lake. The 18-pound boat is lightweight but powerful, and the 2 moving pieces can be put together quickly and without any uncertainty. The boat is created with 10-year UV protection and 5mm padding layers of specially extruded polypropylene, which are made of extremely durable materials. The Oru Lake can withstand being folded tens of thousands of times, sliding over rocks, and being struck by anything. It is also highly pierced and abrasion resistant. A seat made of 18mm thick memory foam is also built into the folding floorboard. The inlet backpack makes it easy to transport the boat. You would pay for this for $549. Solis Lite. The Solis Lite global Wi-Fi hotspot gives you limitless access wherever you go and offers comprehensive coverage in a small, genuinely pocket-sized gadget without the need for a SIM card. With inexpensive access to the Solis mobile data network in more than 130 countries, you can get to work, learn, speak, and connect with fast and secure 4F LTE Wi-Fi at your convenience. Signal Scan, a function of the hotspot, automatically selects the strongest signal when it is available. Its 16-hour battery life is plenty for a day's worth of travel. When your battery becomes low, you may charge your device with the built-in 47 mAh power bank by connecting up to 10 devices at once. This device costs $99. Airblock modular drones. Drones are amusing, there's no doubting that, but the Maexology Airblock modulator hexacopter drone may raise the bar. As the name implies, this device is made up of modular pieces that can be rapidly and simply assembled to form the appropriate shape. When employing magnetic attachments, no fiddling with screws or circuitry is necessary. You may get started by simply snapping the pieces together. Utilizing 6 modular rotors that are ideal for airborne mobility, offering a variety of configuration options and control companion apps that work with both iOS and Android devices. It has integrated LEDs and can control the flying. The hexacopter drone lets you continue exploring wherever life takes you, and it only weighs 150 grams. The cost of this device $149. Gaze. With the help of this clever invention, consumers may feel secure about their properties even when they are not there. You often feel uncomfortable when you leave your personal possessions behind and go outside for a while, since you know what's happening to them. But with this gadget, you can relax and stop worrying. Even though it is a small waterproof security device, Gaze includes characteristics that can deter theft. The 4-digit smart digital lock, which locks itself and alerts you of suspicious movements through the smartphone, may be programmed with a lock code. When locked, the vibration sensor picks up any uninvited activity near your possessions. To get your attention and the attention of those nearby, the alarm continuously emits a loud warning sound. The fisheye camera lens records the environment in real time from all angles, including faces that are close to the device. By simply pressing the one button, you may switch between the gazing mode and the snap mode. This device costs $79. LiteBoxer. Numerous evaluations discuss how LiteBoxer works wonders as awesome internal trainer and motivator. This innovative and resourceful device's creators combine the excitement of a game with music to create a challenging boxing workout that you will constantly want to return to. It works like a heavy bag, is transformed into a smart device, has a big shield with 6 sensors, and lights up in different patterns to show where your next target is. For simple access, the wall mount makes it similar to a TV mount, and the freestanding plus movable floor platform lets you rapidly transform any space into a boxing ring. The software keeps track of your overall performance, including strike force and accuracy, and compares you to other boxers in the community. For $1,695, you may own this. We have reached to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and do make sure to like and subscribe for more tech gadget videos. See you next time on Maexology.